we found another waterfall. But wait, we had to stop upriver first. We're stopping at a little roadside park that we've driven by a lot. So we've never actually stopped here. We got 4 inches of rain last night. So this old muddy river looks pretty high today.
This is the old bridge for the highway that Abraham Lincoln commissioned to secure the route for copper supplies for the Union Army. This is the old military highway bridge, and this is what's left of it.
Wow.
You can see the foundation is all ripped up down there. So this is what crossed the river. And now they built the new over there.
We saw this sign from the road and had to stop to see what it was. It's called Bonanza Falls. It was named that by Austin Courser, who discovered silver nearby back in 1855. But come to find out, it cost more to dig up the silver than what it was worth. So the mine closed in 1876. We started walking on the road towards the river. We can hear the water just rushing up ahead. But as I looked into the forest, it looked to be a giant tree, but we weren't sure what it was. And then I asked them, is that a pine tree in there?
It is a pine tree.
I've never seen a pine tree with this many branches coming out of the trunk.
Biggest pine tree ever.
So now the path narrows. As you can hear, the river's getting louder as we get closer. This here is Bonanza Falls. And all this water in the river is flowing north, right into Lake Superior. The water looks brown, but if you look out on the horizon, you can see it's still blue way out there. As we leave this beautiful park today, I want to thank you for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.